I'm gonna take you down, Naomi! Woo! I totally hit you with that fireball! Okay, so that's how we're gonna play, huh? Looks like I win. Ugh! Well, what do you think about this? What are you doing? Take this! That's it! Take this! You take this! Give it to me! What's happening? Alright, stop. You can go first. Ooh, looks like I've got some candy! I'm so excited to eat this. I'll start by trying this lollipop. It tastes like watermelon! And now to dip it into the powdery crystals. Gotta make sure it's really nice and coated. Okay, here I go. Wow! What do you have under your cover? Wait, how come I get nothing? Oh, wow! It's a gigantic lollipop! Yep, time to give it a try. Delicious. Psst. Wendy, can I try your powder? Well… that's such a huge lollipop. And I don't have a lot of powder to share. Well, okay. Thanks! Oh, this is kinda stressing me out. Ugh, and now she's taking forever, too. Ugh, I want some powder, too. Whoa, do you see that glow right there? What the heck? It's a toilet! It just appeared right here. Like magic or something. Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking? I bet it's full of delicious powder! Ew! That's not powder! You're right! It's even better! How is that better than delicious powder? Hello? Look at the label. It's chocolate! Oh, I get it! You're right! That's awesome! Ooh, look at all that chocolate! Wow! That's some high-quality chocolate! I'll dip mine too. Watch this! I'm gonna switch these around like this. Stop! I'm gonna open mine now. Oh, it's a golden coin, I think. It's not even a chocolate coin. Get out of here, coin. Well, this seems like a real coin. Guess I better get to work. This is totally a ripoff! Hi! Excuse me. Your order's here. Holy wow! Look at this giant cup of coffee! Good thing I brought this chunky straw. I'll see what I've got. Huh? I got a mug too. Well, I guess it is what it is. Actually, I've got a great idea. Time to use my baby hands, lefty and righty. Do a good job of lifting my mug, baby hands. It's working! Wow! Oh my gosh! Woo! I've got so much energy! What are you doing? It's super sweet time! That book was boring. Time to set the Poppet speed record. He's gonna be so surprised. Phew, that was a lot. But now I've got this whipped cream. I'll put this on the paper plate. There we go. Just gotta fill the whole space. And I'll just set it right on Wendy's open hand. I gave her a nudge, and now I wait. Ah! What the heck? Where did this come from? You did this to me! I know it! That is it! Hey, hold up! Look at that glow! The magic brought a third one! You should open it. Well, okay. Oh, that's not scary. Looks like a bowl of white mints. I'm excited to try them. But first, mine! Ooh! A huge amount of soda! Wow! It's so much! And I love soda! Good thing I'm so thirsty right now, too. I'm gonna need something else, too. My trusty and lucky hairdryer. I'll be taking these mints if you don't mind. Hey! How come you get all the mints? Oh, sorry. Here! You can have this one. What? Just one? Alright, hairdryer. Time to do your work. Ugh, what a mint hog. And on top of that, I got a tiny soda! Wait a second. This tiny soda is giving me an idea. I've still got this mint. Alright, let me open this can. Now to crush this mint into tiny crumbs and bits. And then I'll pour them into the can. Oh no! It's already foaming! What? How did you do that? Oh, I just used the heat to melt them into a giant one. Impressed? Yeah, you are. Into my soda it goes. Yes! It's working! Wait. How come it stopped? Oh no! Ah! Oof. You've got a little bit of soda on your face. You're totally soaked! Did you see how much soda splashed on me? Stop! Don't open yours. Look what I've got. A ball. Really? Hey! Get back here! She always falls for that ball trick. Oh, it's a tiny fried egg, I think. Wait, I know! Time to pump this up! Wow! It exploded! Look how many there are! I'm pretty excited about these gummy eggs, though. Okay, I better taste them and see if they're good. Wow, it's actually really delish. I'm so glad I've got a whole bunch of them now, too. Phew! Don't worry, I finally caught your ball. Hey! Where did you get all those gummy eggs? No fair! She opened hers already. Dumb ball distracting me. Wow! No way! This is amazing! Too bad for Naomi. I'll need to make it easier to eat. A few more floats like this. Wait, it's actually only like this big now? Ugh, whatever. It's fine for a fried egg, I guess. Huh? Where's that breeze coming from? What the? Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I gotta put these back! I hope it doesn't come back for me. Yikes! Wait! We're gonna play for it! Winner gets to open theirs first. Why is this so hard? It doesn't make sense. Here, you try. She's distracted, so now's my chance. Solved it! What? No way! How's it even possible? Let's see what I've got. Ooh, spaghetti and meatballs. Good thing I've got a fork. Oh, okay. Thanks, I guess. Time to dig into this delicious-looking plate of food! Noodles first. Then the meatball. I love Italian food. It's some of my favorite. So good. I can't stop eating. Down to my last noodle. Aw, man. I can't believe I don't have any more. Oh, my stomach. Hey, look! Hey! Oh, you just distracted me again. Wait, I've got a teeny tiny plate of pasta? And you had a giant one? Wait, I can't use this to eat my pasta. It's too big. Nope, still too big. Wait! Yes! My dollhouse fork! Here I go! Time to eat my spaghetti! Oh, wow. Even though it's tiny, it's huge in flavor. Ooh, I'm full. How about you? Oops! There goes my button. Huh? Ow! Oops! No! My button too! Ouch! My head! Ha! My pants got you back! Why don't you go first? Seriously, I insist you go first this time. No! You go first! Jeez, okay, so angry. Hey look, I got the giant lollipop again. This was one of my favorites, so I'm glad it's back. I was always jealous of that giant lolly. Ugh, okay, fine. Here you go. Have a taste this time. It's tasty! Now let's see what I have. Wait, I got a small lollipop again? I feel like it's even smaller than before. I'll just get a few measurements here and this way too. Yep, it's officially tiny. Mmm! It may be small, but the flavor isn't. Wait, really? Could I try it? No way. It's all mine. What the heck? I totally gave you a taste of mine! I can't believe it. That's it! I'm taking what I'm owed! Oh! Ha! Got it! Oh, no! I think these are your teeth. My teeth? My teeth! She fell for it! And I don't mind if I do. Yum! The giant lollipop is all mine! She's still out cold. Would you rather have a giant fried egg or tiny gummy eggs? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.